dance, 48 count, no tags, no restarts. I would say this is a high improver or intermediate dance, just because there's a lot of little steps in this dance. Now, teaching this dance, I'm going to start facing the front, but I'm going to teach some of it turned around so you can see what I'm doing, because we'll start out the first, 16 counts, and then I'm going to be facing you and you would be facing away from me. So we will make this work. All right. All right, so weight is on the right foot, which is unusual. Most of our dances tend to start with our weight on the left foot. So that's one thing to note. Your weight starts on your right foot and your left foot is free to go forward. So we're going to start with a skate step. We're going to skate left, right, left and hold, then right and hold, and then we're going to touch behind and rock, recover. Okay, rocking forward on that right. All right, so let me do that again. Weights on the right foot. So skate left, right, left and hold, right and hold, and touch, rock, recover. So now your weight's back on the left. Okay, that is the first 8 counts. All right, so let's do it one more time. Ready? Left, right, left hold, and rock, recover. One more time with the counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. So you get a little hop there on the end. All right, so now the next part, you're going to step to the side, a quarter turn, and touch back with the left, and unwind to your left to the back wall. It's 3/4 of a turn to the back. Now, some of my dancers prefer to just step to the side and touch unwind a half. That is okay too, it works. So it's side 1, behind 2, 3, and you're gonna scuff 4. You're gonna scuff your right foot, all right? And then after that scuff, you're gonna cross your right over your left, step side with the left, and behind, out, over. All right, in a minute, I'm gonna turn us around so you can see a little better. All right, but let's just work on this part. So it's step side, touch, behind, unwind to 6 o'clock, scuff your right, cross over, step side, behind, out, over. Let's do that with the counts. All right, so ready? 1, 2, turn 3, scuff 4, cross over 5, side 6, 7, and 8. Behind, out, over. So let's put those 2 sections together from the top. Weights back on that right foot. Ready? Left, right, left hold, right hold, and rock, recover. Step side, touch, unwind to 6 o'clock, scuff, cross over, side, behind, out, over. All right, so right now, your weight should be on your right foot, okay? And you're gonna step forward with your left, and you're gonna pivot a half turn to your right. You're gonna shuffle forward, left, right, left. Then you're gonna step forward with your right, pivot a half to your left, and shuffle forward. All right, let's try that. Let's try that from the top. Right foot, we're gonna start with the left. Skate left, right, left hold, right hold, and touch behind, rock, recover. Step side, touch unwind to the back, brush, over, side, behind, out, over. Step forward with your left, pivot half to your right, shuffle forward, step forward again, pivot, shuffle forward. All right, so you should be facing 6 o'clock. All right, we're gonna do those sections with the counts. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, and rock 7, recover 8. Step side 1, behind 2, turn 3, stop 4, over 5, side 6, 7 and 8. Step out left, pivot half 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Step out right, pivot half 5, turn 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Okay, so you end up with your weight on your right foot facing 6 o'clock after those sections. All right, so the rest of it, you're mostly facing away from me. So if you are doing this with me instead of just watching right now, turn around and I will show you the end of the dance while you're facing me, so it's a little bit easier to learn, hopefully. Okay, so you did the set of pivot, shuffle, pivot, shuffle. So when you come around, after the second set of shuffles, you're going to do a Lindy shuffle to your left. So you're going to shuffle side to the other side. You're going to rock back on the right, recover. And then you're going to stomp, kick, rock back, recover. All right, so let's try that again. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4, stomp 5, kick 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that again. So Lindy 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, stomp 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, you're going to do toe, heel, stomp, right and left. You guys know toe, heel, stomp, right? Just toe, heel, and stomp. Toe, heel, and stomp. All right, then your weight should be on your left foot, so you're going to do wizard steps forward. You're going to step behind, step, brush, step behind, step, brush. All right. Okay, so let's do that again with the Lindy's. Lindy's shuffle, rock back, recover, stomp, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, stomp, wizard 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, I get a lot of questions about what the difference is with a wizard step and a lock step. The count is different. So think of skipping or Wizard of Oz, that are it's often called the Dorothy step. So the count is 1 behind 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay? All right, so a lock step is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's the difference. All right, so after the wizard steps, you've gone quite a way forward. You're going to step forward a little with the right, and you're going to do 2 body rolls. Body roll, or move whatever way you want to. It does flow really nicely with the song. So I just kind of rock forward and back, and then you're going to end it with walking back right, and touch with the left. Okay? Remember, we're going to end with our weight on the right foot, and that's how we start the pattern again. All right, so that was a lot. So let's go through this section again from the Lindy. We'll work on it a little bit, and then we'll put it all together, okay? So weights on the right foot. We do that Lindy to our left. Shuffle, rock back, recover. Stomp right, kick, rock back, recover. Toe, heel, stomp, wizard forward, step, body roll, walk back, right, touch left. Awesome. All right, let's try it again. I'm going to do it with the counts, all right? So ready, 1 and 2, rock back, 3, 4, stomp 5, kick 6, 7, 8, toe heel stomps, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, wizard 5, 6, and 7, 8, and body roll 1, 2, 3, 4, walk back 5, 6, 7, touch 8. All right, that is the whole dance. All right, so hope you didn't forget the beginning of it now. All right, so let's put it all together. And it's important to listen as well when you're not facing me. That's why this is more, if you're a beginner, this would be a lot for you. So if you tuned in, this might not be something you're ready for, okay? All right, let's put it all together from the top. We're gonna start with a weight on that right foot and start with a skate step on the left. So we're gonna skate left, right, left hold, right hold, and touch, rock, recover. Step a quarter side, touch behind, unwind to the left, brush right, cross over, side, behind out, over. Step forward with your left, pivot half, shuffle, step forward with your right, pivot half, shuffle. Now Lindy, shuffle to your left, shuffle, rock back right, recover, stomp right, kick, rock back, recover. Toe heel stomp, left toe heel stomp. Wizard step, touch body roll, walk back, 2, 3, touch left. All right, that is the whole thing. Okay, you might want to rewind and practice that a little bit. And now we're going to try it facing 6 o'clock. So you're facing away from me. All right, same thing. Weight should still be on that right foot. You're going to skate left, right, left hold, right hold, and touch behind, rock forward on the right. Step a quarter side, touch left behind, unwind a half or 3/4, and scuff your right. Cross over, side, behind out, over. Step forward left, pivot half, shuffle. Step forward with your right, pivot a half left, shuffle forward. Now Lindy, shuffle, rock back, recover, stomp right, kick, rock back, recover. Toe heel stomp, toe heel stomp. Now wizard step, body roll, walk back, 2, 3, touch left. Awesome. All right, now I'm gonna do 2 walls a little more up to speed. Actually, it's not that fast, but why don't you give it a little practice before I put the song on, and I will do a lot of cueing at the beginning of the song. Like I said, no tags, no restarts, which is awesome. All right, so ready, skate, hold, and touch, rock, recover, step a quarter side, touch behind, unwind, brush, over, side, behind, out, over, step, pivot, turn, shuffle, step out, pivot, turn, shuffle, Lindy, shuffle, rock back, stomp right, kick, rock back, recover, toe heel stomp, wizard step, touch body roll, walk back, 2, 3, touch left, skate, hold, and touch, rock, recover, quarter side, touch behind, unwind, brush, over, side, behind, out, over, pivot half, and shuffle, pivot half, and shuffle, Lindy to the left, shuffle, rock back, recover, stomp, kick, rock back, recover, toe heel stomp, wizard, body roll, walk back, 2, 3, touch left. Wonderful. All right, that's about it. If you want, rewind, practice a little, and do the demo with me. Thanks so much. Weights on that right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Skate, hold, and rock. Side, touch behind and scuff. Over, out, behind, out, over, pivot. Shuffle, shuffle. Lindy, shuffle to the left, rock back. Stomp, kick, rock back, toe heel stomps. Wizard. body roll.